Hi guys, just wanted to show you a quick demonstration on how we made these cute little centerpieces for a baby shower. We started off by using a piece of wood at the bottom and we drilled a hole in there and just glued the dowel in place to make the stand. That's super easy to do and you can make the stand at any size that you need. We then placed the dried floral foam right through the dowel and just set it on the bottom and then added the florals to it. This is much easier if you pre-cut your florals and kind of estimate how many you need so you have them ready to go. After we get all the florals placed, we want to make sure everything is covered so you don't see the base or you don't see the floral foam that is being used. We're going to add our teddy bear by just using a wire tie, pull it super tight, and then you just want to add his ribbon around his neck. We place the balloon on the top just to cover the top of the stand, and then we're going to blow up 6 11-inch balloons, but not inflate them all the way, and just make sure they're nice and round so you don't have pear-shaped balloons. Once we put all of those 6 balloons together, we're going to add just a few little clusters of 5-inch balloons just to give it a little bit of texture and a different look. I added some of the rose balloons and we're going to add a little bit of the off-white color just to match with the bottom florals. We're going to use a 260 and we'll tie in the 5-inch balloons into the big balloons and then just place it on top. Super easy to do, and look how cute this is. You can make this in any color you like. Fun fact, I actually dyed the teddy bear and it was supposed to be brown, but it came out a little pink, which was perfectly fine because it matched what we had. We hope you enjoyed this and have a great time making your own. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.